Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy with Ahn Co. It's Thursday, May 16th. I'm going to go over the markets with you for the day. Yesterday had a very disappointing close into the grain complex, able to get a better close here today, closing near the highs, but it does seem like there's quite a bit of selling pressure around that 380 mark for July corn. So closing just below it yesterday, high of 380 on the mark today, high of 380 and 3/4. So it does seem like that is where we're starting to see that pressure. There's also the 100-day moving average not that far away from it as well. So that should be an area of stiff resistance. Overall though, corn market up 8.5 cents, finding a lot of support on a wet forecast. And then you had the wheat complex really start to turn. This could be due to some of the areas of winter wheat getting a lot of moisture. You're going to start talk disease problems, but also just fund liquidation and squaring up their positions. So Chicago wheat up over 18 cents, Minneapolis up close to 8 to 10 cents, Kansas City up 11 cents. So a lot of support there. Soybeans in the green nonetheless, but not that much higher, up about 3 cents on the day. You will see them lag behind a little bit just because of the China news stuff, and then also just the fact that if you don't get the corn acres planted, they're going to try to go to beans with them. And so you're seeing that kind of lag behind the rest of the markets, but really across the board, a lot of green when you looked at grains, meats, and outside markets. So meat markets fought their way back. Live cattle, feeder cattle just over $1 higher. They are oversold quite a bit when you look at the charts. And then hog markets finding some slight support as well. That's going to be dependent on whether or not we can have China come in here and buy our pork products. We had export sales today, and they were pretty poor for grains and meat markets in general. Grains, we should probably get used to this just due to our rally. We're probably going to outprice ourselves real fast. But meat markets, we need to drum up that business to keep this going as production levels have increased, so we need that demand to offset it. Outside markets all in the green as well. Dow market up over 200 points. And what we're going to be watching moving forward is really when does this rain start to occur in a lot of areas and how big of rain accounts are there. There's a lot of moisture forecasted, over 4 inches for southern Minnesota over the next 5 days, and you're going to be waiting to see if we actually get that much, and then what the extended outlook looks like on Sunday evening when we open back up. But today we're going to, hopefully tomorrow we're going to be able to finish this week off on a stronger note. I do have to close with the disclaimer: trading futures and options involves risk loss and is not suitable for all producers. This is a solicitation. Have a great day.